If you're about to spend tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars on a renovation,
hiring the wrong contractor can turn your dream project into an absolute nightmare.
Today, we're breaking down 10 red flags that tell you, before you sign a contract, that you might be hiring the wrong contractor.
And if you spot even a few of these, pause, ask questions, and potentially walk away.
Let's dive right in. Red flag number 1, they won't put details in writing.
If everything is verbal, scope, pricing, and timeline, that's a problem.
A professional contractor documents expectations, period.
If it's not written down, it just doesn't exist. Red flag number 2, the price is way lower than everyone else.
This one gets people every time.
If one bid is dramatically lower than everyone else, something is missing or something's been intentionally excluded.
Cheap upfront usually means expensive later. Red flag number 3, they can start tomorrow.
Good contractors are busy.
If someone has unlimited availability with no explanation, take a second and ask why.
Of course, there are exceptions, but this one definitely deserves extra scrutiny. Red flag number 4, no license, no insurance, or just don't worry about it.
This is not paperwork fluff. It protects you.
No license, no insurance, and no workers' comp is a huge risk to you.
If someone minimizes this, that's your sign. Red flag number 5, they badmouth other contractors.
If the contractor says that everyone else is incompetent,
odds are the problem isn't everyone else.
Professionals don't need to tear down others to sell themselves. Red flag number 6, vague or confusing estimates.
Kitchen remodel, $85,000. That's it?
You should understand where your money is going.
Transparency matters, especially on larger projects. Red flag number 7, they avoid talking about permits.
If a contractor suggests skipping permits,
that problem becomes your problem when you sell or when the town shows up.
Permits protect homeowners, not contractors. Red flag number 8, no clear project management or communication plan.
Who's running the job? Who do you call? How often do you get updates?
If the answer is unclear now, it will become chaos later.
Red flag number 9, they pressure you to sign quickly.
High-pressure tactics don't belong in construction.
A good contractor wants informed clients, not rushed ones.
So if it feels uncomfortable, trust that instinct. Red flag number 10, they can't show real and recent projects.
We're talking photos, videos, references, and recent ones.
Not stock photos, not trust me.
If they can't show real work, ask why.
Hiring a contractor isn't about finding the cheapest price.
It's about trust, communication, and clarity.
If you avoid these red flags, you dramatically reduce the chances of budget blowups, delays, and stress.
If this video helped, hit that subscribe button and drop your questions in the comments below. And check out our other construction videos that we have. We break this stuff down before construction starts. We'll see you next time.